this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps. We're going to use the gel press and we've got our new Elements inks here. This is graphite. So I'm going to brayer that onto our gel press to start with. Now I only need a little, and these ink pads are really quite juicy, so I'm going to take a little off first and then just transfer that ink over onto the gel press. Now it won't look like there's hardly anything on there at all, but you'll be surprised actually how much is on there. I'm just going to grab one of our new masks. We've got a range of new masks out. Well, hopefully in the next few days anyway, we'll let you know in our newsletter when those are released. But we've just got a number of sun, moons, hills. So we've got a few different masks anyway. So I'm just going to use this one today. So I'm going to pop that down at the bottom there. And then using the fan brush, I've just got water, and I'm just going to tap the water over the top. I'm going to tap off first. I don't want too much, I want some tiny little speckles. Okay, and then taking our multifarious card, this is our white, and I'm going to pop that over the top, like so. Give that a smooth over. And let's see what we've got. There we go. There's our sort of wintry scene. So let's move that to the side. I'm going to take that mask off there and just give that a bit of a wipe down. And then I'm going to line that up again, and then I'm going to take, this is mulberry, which is a really lovely colour, and I'm just going to flick upwards with our stencil brush. Just giving it a slight sort of pinky hue. Okay. And I'm going to go back to the graphite now and just give it a little bit of depth at the bottom. And there we go. Okay, so I'm going to just move that slightly and just add another layer below, and I'm going to do the same again. Okay, I'm going to take one of our foxes here. We're going to ink it this time in the twilight. Okay, but I am going to add a little bit of the nocturne as well. And let's see what that comes out like. Okay, so I'm just going to place that down around about there and just give that a good press. Let it sit on the card for a while, just let it rest. Let that lovely ink soak into that card. And there we go. and then we're going to use our new verse. And again, I'm going to ink up in Twilight. And I'm just going to pop that down around about there. Ink up again, and I'm just going to repeat that as we go up the card. Like so. So taking one of our tree stamps now, I'm going to ink that up in the Twilight. Now I'm only inking the top area, I'm not going all the way down the stem. So I've left quite a chunk there, and I'm just going to pop that down around about there. Give that a good press again. Let's do the other one. This one's the slightly smaller one, just to give a variation. Otherwise things start looking a little bit repetitive. So let's pop that down around about there. Okay. So let's, don't think that needs trimming down. It looks pretty even all the way around the edge, so I'm going to leave that as it is. And then I'm taking a smoothie and using the Twilight, I'm just going to give it a little bit of depth by going around the edge. And then I'm just going to bring in that blue just a little. And just make that look a little bit more sort of misty at the back behind the fox there. So what shall we do now? Let's do maybe a moon. So again, this is another one of our masts. I'm going to just pop that down. And then go back to Twilight. Just want a subtle shape. Nothing too harsh. There we go. Actually, we've got a really nice copper here. Let's put that one around the moon. It's giving it a little bit more colour. And we'll put a little bit just on the ground there, like so. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed that. It's a nice, really quick, easy card to do using the gel press to get that lovely sort of organic background there. And that's using our new stamps as well, and our new masks. Thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you enjoyed that demo. You take care, and I'll see you real soon.